Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Qureshia circle. To begin, gather your essential materials: a crochet hook, your preferred yarn, and a pair of scissors. You can start your circle with a magic ring for a tight center, or by chaining 4 stitches and joining with a slip stitch. Then, work 6 single crochet stitches into the center of your ring. If using a magic ring, gently pull the tail to close the hole completely. Now that your foundation is set, let's build the first few rounds. After your initial 6 single crochet stitches in the center, for the second round, you will work 2 single crochet stitches into every single stitch from the previous round. This consistent increase will bring your total stitch count to 12. Maintaining even tension throughout these early rounds is key for a smooth, flat base. To ensure your Qureshia circle remains perfectly flat and round, you must increase by 6 stitches in each subsequent round. For example, in round 3, you will alternate 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeating this pattern around. In round 4, you will work 2 single crochet stitches, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Remember to slightly offset your increases in later rounds to avoid creating a hexagonal shape. To complete your Qureshia circle, once it reaches your desired size, simply slip stitch into the first stitch of your final round to join. Cut your yarn, leaving a tail of approximately 6 inches, and pull it through the loop to fasten off. Then, use a yarn needle to carefully weave in all loose ends, hiding them within your stitches. Your beautiful handmade circle is now ready for various projects, like coasters or decorative appliques.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.